Sir, that man really crossed you off your feet and put you on your booty cheeks and put your ankle 6 feet under. That's why I say, hey, hey, you can no longer play the game. No, you got to quit b-ball today. Hey, because that man, he did you dirty. Look, that boy hit you with the skirt, hit you with the T. Look how you lean back like you was Fat Joe G. Broken both your ankles, broken both your knees. That boy ripped you apart so quickly like you were some Legos. You gon' need some surgery. Boy, I'm telling the truth. Look how he did you, my guy. Sent your soul up to the sky. That's why I say, hey, hey, you have to quit b-ball today.